Okay, welcome back everybody. In this video, we are going to show you and illustrate playing the C scale again, but this time we're going to do 2 octaves. The fingering is a little bit different, and remember, we are teaching scales and learning scales because it's foundational for us to learn to play songs. So the right hand, we're going to be playing the C scale, but this time it is going to be 2 octaves. And so the first octave is going to be the same fingering except for the last note of the first octave. So finger 1 on C, finger 2 on D, finger 3 on E, finger 1 on F. We have to tuck our finger 1 under. Finger 2 on G, finger 3 on A, finger 4 on B. Now here comes the difference because now we're going to go to the second octave. So now we have to tuck our finger 1 under our 4th finger and place it on the second octave C, or the beginning of the second octave. Now finger 2 on D, finger 3 on E, then tucking your thumb under again, or your finger 1 under your 3rd finger onto F, finger 2 on G, finger 3 on A, finger 4 on B, and finger 5. This is the top of the second octave. Now let's descend back down 2 octaves to our original start keys. So 5 on C, 4 on B, 3 on A, finger 2 on G, finger 1 on F, and then 3rd finger over onto E, finger 2 on D, finger 1 on C. That's the end of the first octave coming down, and then you have to take your 4th finger over your 1st finger onto B, finger 3 on A, finger 2 on G, finger 1 on F, and then your 3rd finger over your 1st finger onto E, finger 2 on D, finger 1 on C. So now I'll do it ascending and descending with my right hand 2 octaves. Welcome back everybody. We are now going to be doing the C scale with our left hand 2 octaves. Again, we're beginning on C because it's the C scale, and we're beginning with putting finger 5 of our left hand onto C. Finger 4 onto D, finger 3 on E, finger 2 on F, finger 1 on G. Okay, then we bring our 3rd finger over our 1st finger onto A, finger 2 on B, finger 1 on C. That was the first octave. Now to begin the second octave, we have to put finger 4 onto D, finger 3 on E, finger 2 on F, finger 1 on G, finger 3 over your 1st finger onto A, finger 2 on B, and finger 1 on C. Okay, now we're going to descend, finger 1 on C, finger 2 on B, finger 3 on A, and then bring our 1st finger under our 3rd finger onto G, finger 2 on F, finger 3 on E, finger 4 on D. Now we have to bring our 1st finger under again, under our 4th finger, and place it on C. Now finger 2 on B, finger 3 on A, then our 1st finger underneath, tucking it underneath our 3rd finger onto G, finger 2 on F, finger 3 on E, finger 4 on D, and finger 5 back to our original start position on C. I will now play it ascending and descending smoothly.